All right, everybody, just want to do a little review on this clamp. I put together a little video with it in action at work. I got this thing at Northern Tools, like 20-something dollars. But this clamp is awesome. It's perfect for butt joints and positioning, however you need to position it. I added a flat bar to a piece of tube and put a little nut in there and made my own little levers and stuff like that. You know how welders do it, they make their own fancy stuff. But yeah, I was working at K&N for 3 months, and yeah, got some pretty cool footage for you guys.